I'm on a mission to inspire people to engage with the living world around us through growing food sustainably. There's something incredibly powerful in having a tangible connection with the seasons, with the land, with the weather, and understanding what it takes to produce the food that we eat. I want to share with you a way of growing that can be a form of activism, connecting us to the living world around us while producing food that's both good for people and planet. When you're out foraging, there is local, seasonal, organic food that is free. I mean, you can't beat that really. So this is really healthy. It's also really fun, and you'll have your own bottle of cider vinegar.
A garden is really a space where humans and nature are meeting. So it needs to be a space that is having a positive impact on the wider landscape, but is also a place where you feel safe and where we can interact with the natural world.
Soil is so full of life. One handful of soil contains more life than humans on Earth. Some of the different life in our soil includes things like nematodes, protozoa, bacteria, fungi. These all play a part in supporting healthy plants. And so doing things like not digging the soil is really important in making sure those healthy networks are intact. Ponds are one of the best ways we can increase biodiversity in our garden and encourage predators that are going to help us deal with our pest problems. You can simply plonk a container somewhere, fill it with water, create entry and exit points, fill it with plants and reap the rewards. Come with me on my second year in this garden as I show you how you can grow seasonally and how easy it can be to produce food in harmony with nature. Learn to create a sustainable garden with me, Poppy Okocha.